Hey guys, I just want to tell you how grateful I am to you guys for getting me to 10,000 subscribers. It's insane. I never thought I was going to get subscribers, right? When I made this channel, like almost 8 years ago, it's crazy. But when I made this channel, it was because I watch ASMR every night, right? I still do now. I did then. Probably will forever, right? ASMR is one of those forever things. It just is. But I would see videos and I would see triggers that I liked, and I would see, certain sounds that I liked, certain, things that I liked. I liked hand sounds, but I liked, finger fluttering, and that's a hand sound. But I'm not gonna list all the triggers I like. That'd take forever. But my point is, I made this channel because I wanted to make my own videos. Because I was like, if I can control the videos, it's like when you get a custom video from an ASMR artist you like, right? That custom video is exactly what you want. Only the triggers you want, none of the triggers you don't want. The entire video is just stuff that you like. And I thought, if I make my own ASMR, every single video will be that, right? So I really just started making videos for myself to watch at night. And, if people like them, they liked them. Just share it with the community, right? Because why not? And for like 7.5 years, I had like 600 subscribers. And it just stayed there forever, right? And I assumed that was what it was going to be forever, right? And I was cool with that. I'm cool. I'm still cool with that. If I lose all my subs right now, they stick at 600, I'll keep making videos because I just love ASMR, and that's what I do. But in March, all of a sudden the algorithm started blessing me. I don't know why. I don't know how, but yeah, it just started blowing up, and now I have all you guys to make videos for. So I can't go on these 2-year breaks because all you guys are kind of depending on me for sleep, which is a new responsibility that I used to, right? But I just wanted to say thank you guys. I love you guys so much, every single one of you. The comments I get on the channel and the feedback I get from this community of you guys is just so overwhelmingly positive. And there's just so much love in this community, and I wouldn't trade it for the world. You guys are amazing. And yeah, I just want to get out here and say how awesome you guys are and how much I love you guys, and just make some good sounds for you guys. You guys help me, I'm going to help you. Right? This is a phone my grandfather gave me. My grandfather died when I was 2. But when I was a little kid, I liked playing with this phone that he had. And just a little backstory behind the phone. And he didn't want me to get hurt, so he cut the cord off. So obviously there were no wireless phones back then, right? And he gave this to me, and I was like just a little 2-year-old playing with it. So I picked this up out of nowhere and started tapping on it, and I was like, this makes amazing sounds. Like, why? I'm just realizing this now. So I might make this an integral part of the channel just because, just to honor my grandfather. He was murdered in either 92 or 93. I don't want to get into that, but just honor him. He's got this little button here. But the tapping inside with this little phone sounds just incredible. I can imagine just like someone in the 90s talking on this phone and just, tapping on while they talk. person on the other end getting tingles and experiencing ASMR and not even knowing what it is, like so many of us did back before this community was a thing. But yeah, if you guys like this song and the sounds it makes, I'll make you beautiful. So yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna make some sounds. This isn't gonna have like a specific theme to it or anything. This is just gonna be, you know, randomness. I don't think my beard is loud enough for that to work. My hair's growing out again, so when it gets long, I'll do some hair brushing videos or something again. But also, for some reason, I love the sound of a mouse just like. Also, somebody had asked what this scent is, and it is pink chiffon. Bath and Body Works. It's probably a very old one that doesn't exist anymore, but this just smells so amazing. Like, I've always loved perfumes more than colognes. And don't get me wrong, I like cologne, but like, I don't know, the smell of perfume is just so much better to me. You know. Also, tell me if you like the can. I think the can makes good sounds. It's cool. I like doing videos like this because it's nice to just kind of step out of, like, not out of the role play. I'm not playing a role. I'm just talking to you guys. You know what I mean? I like doing stuff like this. But also, because this is a community, right? I want you guys to comment like some of your favorite current ASMR artists. Like, who else do you like to watch? Right? Maybe it's a small channel that you want to have blow up. Maybe it's a huge channel that you've just been really into lately. You know, just, I think it's great if we all just shout each other out. You know what I mean? I've been watching a lot of Rainbow Cat ASMR, Daniel's ASMR, ASMR Berlin. She's been popping off like crazy lately. But yeah, just tell me who you've been watching, man. Because again, this is a community, man. We all gotta show love to each other. You know? It's not like we're competing with each other. You know what I mean? It's like a family. You know. a little too loud. Aggressive sound. Oh, you can do. Oh, yeah, that's insane. Yeah, I mean, that's really it, man. Appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Yeah, that's it. Peace.